Hi everyone, and welcome to Emily Moon English. This video is for anyone who's trying to be a better reader, and the tips are extra helpful if you're learning English as a new language. In this video, I'm going to do something a little bit different from my other videos. I'm going to use my computer screen to show you how to use a KWL chart to help with reading. I talked about KWL charts in another video where I shared strategies for reading in English. But in this video, I'm going to go into more detail and show you step by step how to use a KWL chart as you read. A KWL chart will help you stay focused on your reading and organize your thoughts so you can learn as much as possible. So let's get started.
Okay, so I have on my screen an article from Newsela that I want to read and my KWL chart over here. So I picked this article because it is about health and it's about the coronavirus. So I'm interested in learning about what's going on with the coronavirus. This headline was interesting to me. Why everything is closing for coronavirus. It's called Flattening the Curve. Okay, so I'll scroll down and I can see that the text is quite advanced. So for this video, I'm going to change the reading level. So I'm going to change to 570, which is the lowest level, just to make this more simple. Now my text has changed to a lower reading level. You can also put it at an intermediate reading level or keep it at the max level. It is up to you. Make sure to use the 5-finger rule as you're reading to decide which level is right for you. Okay. So let's start with our KWL chart. We're going to start with know. What do I know about this topic? Let's see. Well, I know that coronavirus is a disease. What else do I know? Coronavirus is spreading in America. I also know that many people are dying from coronavirus. All right, let's stop there. Let's say that that's the only thing I know about coronavirus right now. What do I want to know? Why am I reading this article? Well, I want to know why are places closing? And I know that the title says why everything is closing for coronavirus, so I'll probably get my answer. I also want to know what is flattening the curve. I see that in the title here, flattening the curve, but I don't know what that means. Let's see if the article will help me. I am also wondering, what can I do to help? Maybe this article will give me some answers. I also want to know, how does the coronavirus spread? I know that it's spreading in America, but I don't know how it's spreading. Okay, that's a good number of questions. Now, another tip I gave was to scan the text. So let's do that. So I made my screen a little bigger for us to see. To scan the text, I want to look at the title, which we already looked at, some pictures. I also want to scan for headings. Here's one: serious spread. Serious spread. So I can guess that this section is going to talk about how coronavirus is spreading. That might help me answer my question over here. How does the coronavirus spread? Let's look at the next one. Making sure sick people can get treated. Okay, I can guess that this section is talking about taking sick people and helping them get better. So I'll come back to that section to answer maybe what I can do to help. Okay, here's a really great graphic, a picture that explains what it means to flatten the curve. Okay, that's really going to be helpful for my question about what is flattening the curve. I know that I'm going in the right direction with my questions. They will probably be answered by this article. Okay, and that's the end of the article. So I'm going to just read through quickly and take some notes on what I learned, and I'll show you when I'm done. Now that I'm done reading the article, I have wrote my learned information, and I want to quickly review with you what I've learned. So as I went through the article, I looked at my questions and I looked for the answers in the text. Then, when I found the answer, I copied it and I pasted it to help me remember the answers. You can also write the answers in your own words. You don't have to copy it exactly. So let's look at some of the answers to my questions. I wanted to know why places were closing, and I found that the cause for all the closures is COVID-19 and what COVID-19 means. I wanted to know what I can do to help, and the article told me health officials are telling people to not gather in groups, and ordinary people need to avoid crowds at places where large numbers of people congregate. So if you look at my chart, I've got what I know, what I wanted to know, and what I learned. This is a great way for me to keep track of what I have read and to stay organized as I read and think about the topic.
So that was how to use a KWL chart as you read. I really enjoyed this new format of sharing my screen with you as I modeled the strategy. Please let me know if you enjoyed this style of video or if you want to see more videos like this by leaving a comment down below. Also, if you're new here, please subscribe to follow my channel for more English learning and reading tips. And as always, keep learning. Bye!